Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that somebody close to you has been going through this. Now, there is no specific research, to my knowledge, on this exact question of herbs and supplements helping with opiate overdose recovery. So I can't give any on-point exact advice, but I will share some things in the periphery that you may find helpful. Now, neurofeedback, of course, is something that I am a huge proponent of. I've seen it do wonders for myself. I've seen it do wonders for other people, not necessarily on this specific topic. However, in a brain that has been through so much as the brain of somebody who has gone through opiate addiction, opiate overdose, etc., things are not working optimally and as they should be. And there's definitely functionings that are not in balance in a brain like that. And this is a tool that is very powerful that can help bring this back into a more balanced state, help rewire the brain, retrain the brain to be more, as I say, balanced. And then also NAD. Now, you could say supplement with NMN, you could supplement with NR, nicotinamide riboside. But in such an extreme case as this, I would say if you have the financial resources to do it, go for NAD IV infusions. These are being used more and more in recovery clinics where you get this as you're going through the detox and withdrawal periods, and it dramatically shortens that really difficult stage. So that's another thing to look into. Hyperbaric oxygen. Again, hyperbaric oxygen in people who are going through recovery is able to really speed up the healing of body and brain that really needs to take place. Schizandra is another one. Now, if we're going to talk herbs, Schizandra is always my first to think about in this category. Whenever somebody's dealing with some problems with drugs or with alcohol, Schizandra is a great thing to throw at it first. Schizandra is supporting detoxification pathways in the body. It's detoxifying the blood, it's detoxifying the liver, it's supporting both stage 1 and stage 2 liver detoxification. It's sharpening the mind and helping to heal the mind. So that's a great tool to incorporate. And then Shilajit. Shilajit, we're going to have coming up pretty soon an entire video all about it. But this is a substance that comes out of the mountains in the Himalayas. And Shilajit, in some animal research, has been shown to be helpful in addiction models. So this is quite promising. It's not a cure-all by any means, but I think if you bring lots of tools together like this that help in different ways, it can lead to some pretty profound results. Now, please understand, I am not a professional in terms of mental health or drugs or addiction. I'm just a guy who knows some stuff and likes to share it here with you. So none of this should be taken to be a replacement for working with the proper medical professionals. I'm just here to share with you some things that you may not know about that you can then ask those professionals about and have a more productive conversation with them on the road to healing. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. If you got anything new out of this video, please leave a comment below. It always helps me to know what I maybe am sharing all the time that's just repeat old information for you, or what is actually new. It's super helpful, and you're helping me to help you effectively. And then if you've enjoyed this, please do click the like button below and subscribe. It's a great no-cost way to show us huge support and really help us to grow this channel. Have a wonderful day and look forward to seeing you again next time.